What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft. You need to authenticate to the Microsoft Store service fix that is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the Minecraft. So let me directly get into a step. So the first and foremost step is all about, you just need to go over here, search for the Microsoft Store, and you have to get into the store. Now once you get into the store, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, click on the icon. So as you can see, I have already signed out from the Microsoft Store. The first and foremost step, if you're already signed in, you have to sign out. If you're already signed out, then you have to sign in back. Then you sign in back, then you can go for the Minecraft. Just sign into your account. If you're already signed out, sign in back. If you're already in the account, then you just need to sign out. Then you just need to go over here. Similarly, do the same for the Xbox as it is. Go to the Xbox app. Once you get into the Xbox app, you can just go over here, click on the sign in. So right now I have already signed out from both Minecraft and both the store and the Xbox. So you just need to sign in. Then after signing in, you have to check, or if you're already signed in, then you just need to sign out from the Xbox. Then you have to check parallelly. So keep in mind one thing, if you're already signed out, sign in together onto both the accounts and you have to check. If you're already signed in, then sign out from both account and you have to check. Or you can sign out and sign in back. Parallelly, you can just sign in and sign in back and you have to check as well. Next one is all about, if you're using to try to launch, or if you're trying to play the Minecraft launcher with a console or the game with a console, reset your console. Then after resetting, you have to check with the Minecraft launcher whether it's going to work or not. Next one is all about, we need to download the older versions of the Minecraft. So this is the older version. So just go over here, and if you scroll down, you can see the Minecraft available options like Windows Legacy will be there. So just download Windows Legacy versions instead of the the new version. You have to download the older versions of the Minecraft. Or you can just click over here. When you go over here at the bottom, you can see we have options like Windows Legacy. Just click on this one and download Windows Legacy option or this particular older versions of the game. And once you download this, just go over here and you have to run this, or try using launch the game with this legacy launcher, not with the latest one. So this helped many users, so that is why I recommending you can try this out. Just install this particular older versions of the legacy version. Afterwards, you can launch the game, launch the Minecraft, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. After trying with this, if it's not working, just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here, navigate to time and language and go to the date and time. First and foremost step, make sure the set the time automatically should be turned on. If it is turned off, you have to turn this off. Now go to the show time, date and system tray. And here we have an option called sync now. So just click on the sync now. And once you sync now, most probably it's going to take a little bit of time. So the internet might be synced with your time, and that is going to fix for you guys as well. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix for the Minecraft is having, you need to authenticate your Minecraft to the Microsoft Store service fix. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.